Hey everyone, Lehman here with LeadKast. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to build a brochure, a custom brochure for one of your listings. If you are a new agent and you do not have any listings, then get with somebody in your office there, your local office, and find out who has a listing and get their permission to market that property for them. 9 times out of 10, they're probably going to say yes because they want to sell that house, right? So it doesn't matter if you have a listing or not, just you can build a brochure. And here's what you do. Come down to brochures. You're going to click on pre-made brochures. And here's your brochures that you have available that you can edit. The ones at the top are traditional brochures with your address and your telephone number at the bottom. These down here, these 3 brochures are social media brochures that have your Facebook Messenger link built into them. These brochures can be printed. They can also be posted on social media as a unique link. So they're almost like one-page websites as well. In that Facebook Messenger link is embedded in these 3 down here, and you can when somebody clicks on it, it actually engages your Facebook Messenger where they can message you directly there. Okay, so the one thing you need to do when building a brochure is first is make sure that your account is set up correctly. So when you come to account settings, you should have followed the instructions on setting up your account. Make sure you have your logo, make sure you have all your information built into your account right here, because everything pulls from your account settings. So when you're building a brochure, your logo will pull in, your telephone number will pull in, your name, all that stuff, everything that's in the database will pull in to help build this brochure the right way. Okay, so let's preview this brochure. Okay, so here's a brochure right here, and what we're going to do is let's get out of that, and we'll say we want to use this brochure. Okay, now when you're building a brochure like this, you have to have a listing, correct? So whether it's your listing or it's a listing that you've gotten permission to market, I'm going to go over to my MLS. You probably have an MLS in your local area there. They're all similar. And I'm going to grab the pictures from this listing right here. Okay, this is 5118 Herschel Spears Circle. So I'm going to click on the pictures, and then what I'll do is I'll right-click, Save Image As. And I'll do that for several images, okay? Probably pick one like this one, this one, and you'll pick those pictures, right? And those pictures, so you need 1 for the background, and then you need 4 others right here, okay? I've already downloaded those images just to save time. So what we'll do is let's get out of this. This property is listed 1.925. So we're going to come over here. We're going to edit this to 1.925, right? And then what you want to do is put the text in here. So let's go grab some text. Now this is for demonstration purposes, so I'm not going to create a bunch of original text. I'm just going to copy. Sometimes the brochure builder does not like when you copy and paste, so let's see if it works here. Yes, it worked. And let's go grab some more copy just to fill it in. We'll copy that, bring it over to the brochure, and we will paste it right there. That looks good. Of course, you want to edit all this. I'm not going to go through and take the time to edit all this. So you put the right bathrooms, how many floors, any kind of pertinent information that you want to put here. And then you'll put the address right here. And this would be 5118 Herschel Spears. And let's just say this is Brentwood, Tennessee. There we go. So we get the address in there. Automatically pulled my office telephone number. Pulled my company logo here because I set everything up in the database the correct way. At this point, we want to change the picture of the top of the brochure. And the way you do that, you see these 2 lines right here. 1 and 2. You're going to come over to the second one. Click on the gear. Click on Choose. And then we're going to go Upload right here. And we'll go to our desktop, find the pictures that we downloaded from our MLS. Okay, find those pictures, and you'll pull them in. I've already pulled them in. So here you go. You click on the image, click on Choose, and then click on Preview Changes, and there's our property. All right. Now let's change this picture right here. You just double-click. All right, and we'll go to Browse. And of course, you would upload those pictures as well. Already have them. Just click on Upload. That will bring them to your desktop. So we'll just choose this image here. Click on Choose. Click on OK. Let's go to the next one. Double click, browse. Of course, you'll upload it from your computer. I already have it here. I'll just click this one, choose, click OK. You do the same thing for each one. Okay, you would upload it from your computer. Already have it here. And then the next one, browse. I don't think I downloaded enough images, so let's go grab another one real quick. Oh, I'll tell you what I have to do is we will need to, let's get out of this. We'll need to go over here, images, and we'll do one more, and I'll kind of show you. What about that one? That's a good one. So we'll hit save image as. Let's call this 111222, just so we know where it is. Click on save. We'll come back over to our brochure builder. We'll click on browse. Click on upload. 111222, there it is. We just download that. Click on open. Okay. And we brought it in. There it is. So all we do is click on that image and then click on choose. Right? And then OK. Now at this point, let's go ahead and preview changes and then click on save. Okay. Now let's go to manage brochures. And we have a brochure here. Let's click on preview. Okay. Now you see we have an error here. All right. We have 2 pages. Our brochure should only be 1 page. And the reason is I have too much text in here. Okay. So what you have to do, if you have 2 pages, this is how you solve it. You'll have to take away some of this text and reword it. Okay. So let's go do that. We'll click on edit. Let's just take away some of this text. You know, you'll have to play with the wording because you can only put so much. Now click on save, manage brochure, and let's preview it again. Now we have 1 page. Perfect. Everything's looking good. Our images are looking good. We have our content in here. There's one thing I forgot to tell you what you need to do. Okay. You need to come on edit here, and you need to click on settings, and you want to name your brochure. Okay. Let's just call this 5118 Herschel, since that's the name of the property. Now you can't hit save here. You got to click on preview changes first and then click on save. All right, let's go to manage brochures. Let's click on preview. Brochure's looking really good here. All right, let's go back. You see it's named 5118 Herschel right here. And you've just created a professional brochure. Now, there's one more thing you need to know. You can come here and click on preview, and you can print this. Okay, this basically is a PDF. You can print this if you want to, or you can take this unique link right here. This is basically a 1-page website. So you can take that, you can copy it up there at the top, that unique URL that's unique to you, and you can post that on your social media. You can post it on your blog. You can post it anywhere you want to. And somebody clicks on it, this brochure will pop up where they can print it off. Or if it's one of our social media brochures, they can click the button down here and engage with you directly on your Facebook Messenger. And this is what these look like. So if we go to brochures, pre-made brochures, these are the social media brochures. You build them the same way. Okay, it just doesn't have your telephone number down here. It has a link where they can message you. Okay, so let's click on preview. You see right here, it's got our social media link built in already. We don't even have to put it there. You click there, it will take you right over to your social media. They can engage with you directly on Facebook. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the training video on how to build a brochure. If you have any questions, support@leadkast.com. That's support@leadkast.com, and we'll see you on the next training video. Thanks.